Throughout history, humanity has lifted its gaze to the heavens, searching for meaning in the stars. In ancient times, when a comet tore across the night sky, people trembled. To them, it wasn't just a cosmic event, it was a message. A warning of war, famine, or great change. Every glowing trail carried the weight of prophecy. As centuries passed, science tried to quiet those fears. Astronomers told us comets were harmless, frozen remnants from the birth of the solar system. The universe, they said, followed order and logic. There were no omens, no messages, only motion and light. For generations we believed them. But now, the heavens seem to be speaking again. And this time, the Earth appears to be listening. When the interstellar object known as 3I Atlas entered our solar system, the world changed. Within hours of its detection, the ground beneath Venezuela began to convulse. Two massive earthquakes struck within minutes of each other, shattering roads and shaking cities. Moments later came a deep aftershock, enough to make entire neighborhoods sway. Panic swept through the streets as people stared upward, wondering if the sky itself was alive. At that same moment, the sun released a powerful coronal mass ejection. A storm of radiation and plasma hurled into space, lighting up the solar winds. Far beyond, two novas erupted almost simultaneously, sending blinding light across the void. And somewhere between Mars and Jupiter, 3I Atlas began to pulse with energy. Its tail refused to behave like any comet's tail should. Instead of streaming neatly away from the sun, it twisted, bending back upon itself. Sensors detected strange bursts of electromagnetic radiation, patterns that didn't fit natural behavior. Its glow flickered, brightened, then dimmed again, almost like breathing. At first, scientists dismissed it as coincidence. But one by one, the data began to align. Solar winds weakened. Earth's magnetic field trembled. Pressure deep within the crust shifted in rhythm with each solar pulse. It was as if heaven and earth were part of the same circuit. A single, vast system, charged, connected, and alive. For decades, the idea that solar storms could trigger earthquakes was ridiculed. But now, even the skeptics are quiet. Every reading, every vibration, every flare seems to echo through the planet itself. And through it all, 3I Atlas moves silently onward. Its coma has grown massive, over 100,000 kilometers wide. Telescopes show threads of plasma weaving through its tail like veins of light. Each day, it grows brighter, more erratic, more alive. This is not a simple rock of ice and dust. It interacts, it responds, it behaves. And that has scientists asking a question few dared to speak aloud. Are we sure it's natural at all? As the sun's storms rage and novas ignite, 3I Atlas burns like a red ember in the dark. Its rhythm seems to match the heartbeat of a restless planet. Across the globe, instruments detect faint vibrations, steady, harmonic, rising in frequency. The earth hums as though answering something beyond itself. Perhaps the ancients weren't wrong after all. The Babylonians, the Chinese, the Mayans, they all believed the heavens and the earth moved together. That the stars could stir the oceans. That the comets could awaken the ground. That the universe was not silent, it was alive. Maybe they understood something we've forgotten. That everything, every atom, every planet, every heartbeat, is part of one vast song. And now, as 3I Atlas glows brighter with each passing day, as the sun grows unstable and the ground shifts beneath us, we are left to wonder, is this merely coincidence? Or is the universe trying to speak once more? And if it is, are we truly ready to listen?